Hello and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video I will be making potato wedges, and for the ingredients I have a bowl of potatoes. These ones I have cleaned because I want to use them together with their outer layer. And for seasoning I have mixed spices, I have turmeric, I have oregano, I have table salt, I have rosemary, fresh rosemary, and I have sunflower oil. So join me as I chop my potatoes into wedge shapes. So I'll start by dicing my potatoes into wedge shapes. So I'll cut into half like that. This is the shape I desire to get. So for every half, I should be able to dice 3 wedges. Like that. On to the next. So guys, I'll see you once I'm done dicing all the potatoes. So I'll start with the seasoning. As you can see, my potatoes are well diced. So I have diced my potatoes into wedge shapes, as you can see. So I'll start with the seasoning, and I will start with table salt. Since my potatoes are many, I will do about 1 teaspoonful of salt, table salt. And I will add about 3/4 teaspoonful of oregano. Next, I will add turmeric, about 3/4 teaspoonful. And next, I will add my fresh rosemary. Guys, if you want to grow rosemary at home, you can watch one of our videos on how we have grown our rosemary at home. So this is from our kitchen garden. So most of these herbs you can grow at home to save on costs. And lastly, I will add some cooking oil. I have here some sunflower oil. So what I will do next is to toss all the ingredients together so that they can mix. So guys, my wedge potatoes are well mixed with all the spices. So I'll go ahead and put them in the casserole dish, ready to put them in the oven. So let's start arranging our potatoes. So I'm done laying my potato wedges in my casserole dish. So I'll go ahead and put them in the oven. My oven will be heated at 180 degrees and I will bake them for about 35 to 40 minutes. So guys, let's go to the oven.